What's going on YouTube? This is What Would Josh Do? And we're going to do a quick unboxing and first impressions of the Model 0 Plus. It is a wireless smart speaker with Google Assistant built in. I have had this in the office for several weeks now, but I've been having computer issues and I built my desktop a few days ago and I made a video on it and it's been working great. So going to be editing a video on it today. But you can download the Soundcore app from the Google Play Store or the other store. And let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what's inside and get an idea for how it sounds. You know, Anker is an amazing company. Been working with them for years. They did send this to me for review, but they're not paying me anything to make this video. So I'm just providing my thoughts on it. And this was a product that was sent to me for free. So pretty neat unboxing. There you go. Some accessories in here. And then that's the rest of it. So that's just to make sure it stays steady. Nothing's in here. You do have something here. Thank you for choosing Model 0. It's the ultimate embodiment of our vision. Cool. Let's take a quick look at the accessories box. All right, so we've got the power brick. And then the power cord. Wow, that's very simple. Who opens things the normal way? Not I. All right, now let's take a look at the star of the show. Let's open this bad boy up. I love the handle. I love the carrying design of it. It's pretty sleek. So we'll take a look at the back here. And you've got a power, a reset, and an auxiliary. Then you've got a nice rubber thing at the bottom to keep it from sliding around on a table. It's got a decent amount of weight to it. And then some buttons that will probably light up or something. Who knows? Don't know what all you can... Oh, wait, there's buttons here on the side. So like a pairing button and a power button, a mute button so you don't listen to Google Assistant, and then another arrow. That's about it. All right, so let's go ahead and plug it in. Little light on the back here. It's red, so it's charging up. And then not much happens here, so let's do the power button. Little light. Oh, there's some lights up here. Didn't even notice those at first. Let's go ahead and enter.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. You can ask me questions and tell me to do things. To get started, download the Google Home app.
All right, so we're currently looking for devices. I actually even got a little pop-up that says, do you want to set up a nearby device? So there we go. Next. Yes, I heard a sound. No. Let's do living room. It's gonna be a party speaker for sure. Connected to our Wi-Fi that we have. Soundcore is now connecting to Google Fiber. And we are lighting up. It's a very interesting design. Maybe like each bar represents battery or something. All right, so it's gonna ask you like which services you want to use. So like I plan on canceling YouTube Premium and just going with Spotify. So I don't want those services. I do want Spotify though. I want Spotify to be my default service.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Okay, Google. Play the latest Breaking Benjamin.
Playing Breaking Benjamin on Spotify.
Oh, there is a plus button here. Ooh. Oh, man, that's loud. Holy crap, that's loud. Does it get louder? Oh my god, it does! Oh, that's the coolest thing ever. I was literally like, dude, that sucks. You got to keep tapping it to change the volume, but you don't have to keep tapping it. That's the freaking coolest thing ever, dude. Oh my god. Oh, going too fast for it. All right, I'll stop fingering my sound core. No, I didn't. Oh, That's so cool though. Okay, Google, play Spotify.
Here you go.
Woohoo! A little loud. Except for the last time. Like that? Do you like that? My place in the diary of Jane. There you have it. This is Anker's little speaker. I have connected this to my Google account so I can go ahead and listen to music. Alternatively, I could use Bluetooth and pair it that way, but that's boring. That's plain. You can't talk to it. It's not much fun. The Google Assistant is fun. Now, if you're in an area where you're not using Wi-Fi and you're strictly using Bluetooth, I can see that being a little more beneficial if you're wanting to carry this somewhere and use it as like a party thing. I don't know. But it's pretty cool. I love the sound. I love that so much. And it's pretty awesome little device, and it's got some weight to it. It doesn't move around. It's super duper loud. Like I like it. I love it. We're definitely going to be using it to play some music and jam out. So I'll have a link to this in the description below if you want to pick up one of these for yourself. And that about wraps it up. Please follow me on Twitter and Instagram if you want to keep up to date with me and know what's going on in my life and behind the scenes. This is What Would Josh Do, and I'm out.